We'll guide you through how to attach a document in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Gmail, and so you want to go and attach a document. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you've been working on some type of presentation or some type of piece for work or school, and you need to go and send it to somebody. We're going to guide you through how this can be done in Gmail. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to get started, come into Gmail as we already are. Now you can come to the top left and you want to go and find the option for compose, and you can go and click there. Then what you can do is you can go and choose who the email's for. So in 2, you can go and type in their email. I'll go and select the contact here. You can then go and type in a subject, and of course you can then go and type in the body of the email. I'll just keep this simple for the sake of this video. Now, when you're ready and you've finished and you want to go and attach the document, come to the bottom of Gmail. You'll see the send option, but come to the right. And what you're looking for is this paperclip icon. This allows us to attach files, so you can click here. Your file explorer should go and open up, and you can then go and find the document you want to go and attach. So I could go and do this with a Word doc, a PDF, it doesn't matter. So let me go and select this one here and go and press open. You'll then go and attach, as you can see, and there it is. And then what you can do is you can go and press send, and it's going to be sent.